That's Marsh Lake in Spruce Woods Park. Highway 5 running right along there. So it looks like a peaceful little lake now, but at one point it completely flooded this picnic area, which used to be nice, grassy, beautiful area. Now it's covered with kind of clay sand, sandy clay. The park's begun to cut and pile some of the downed trees, and there are a lot of them here. A few of the higher points still have fire pits on them, and lots of firewood here. It's going to be a long time before this little area regains any kind of semblance to what it was before. Yeah, someone's left a nice sculpture here on top of this stump. And the trail around Marsh Lake is still closed, still dangerous. The sign held up though, it got a little tilted, but it held up. And lots of firewood, lots of future fires. Result of this year's flood here at Marsh Lake. I wanted to point out in these big old elms here, one's hollowed out pretty much, and inside of it it's filled with that sandy white clay inside the tree. And as you can see, the sandy clay has dried out and it's cracked and broken, like cobblestoned almost.